In my question, the calculation of this is pretty difficult. So now I'm gonna review to you how one shortcut, which is to utilize the data analysis function. So before doing that, we need to install the add-in, like we installed Solver. So here we need to go, let me show it again. File, Options, Add-ins. And here, Manage Excel Add-ins, hit Go. And here we need to check Analysis Toolpack. Okay, then after a very short while, you're going to find Data Analysis right in the same section as Solver. So here, what we are going to do is we are to go to Data Analysis, Descriptive Statistics, and then we put a variable of interest at the input range and select Summary Statistics. And this should give you all the information you need to calculate for a t-test. Okay. And most commonly reported are the mean and standard deviation. Okay. So like in this case, we have the observations, number of the observations. If you were to calculate individually, you can find this through count function, the mean from average function, standard deviation from standard deviation sample function, right? So let us just quickly do that. Data analysis, and here descriptive statistics. Okay, so here you can focus on wage. Okay, and here please choose at least one. Let's do summary statistics. Contains non-cumulative data, which is the first column, first row, and here we tell the data its labels in the first row. Okay, and here, as you can see, the summarative result of wage is produced. Let's see if we could do this for multiple. Let's do multiple ones. Okay, and labels in the first row, summary statistics. And here, as you can see, wage, education, experience, tenure, non-white, female, married, those data were summarized. Usually, we focus on the first two. Okay. Then your question is, why do we bother to learn how to calculate those step by step? Because those summary statistics are very summarized. The only tells you for the entire group of data, for the, in this case, entire 527 count, 26 count of data, which is here, right? What the average wage is. It does not tell you like the average wage of a subgroup of it. So we still need to master. That's why I started by teaching how did we find those data step by step. We still need to master that when we are, so that when we are asked for a more finer data, for more finer analysis of a subgroup of data, we know how to do it, rather than merely depending on, the summarative descriptive data for the overall sample, and then have no idea when we are asked for a subsample. Okay.